new vehicle, man. It's 2025. Tearing this thing. Don't worry about it. It's not this stuff anymore.
There's all right.
There you go. You check it out.
Yes, sir.
It's not like the seat hit it.
Yeah.
That's what happened last time.
All right, I'll meet you out there.
I got you. I know, man. It's new vehicle, bro. Thomas.
Thomas Jr. Okay. This is a new vehicle. You can smell it, fresh new. Okay. So, are you been a Basehead for a while?
Yeah, a long time.
Okay.
Long time ago. I started with a small system, and then this is like the biggest one I ever made, though, forever.
Are you happy with it?
Yes, I'm loving it, bro. I'm loving it.
What is your electrical side on this?
I'm PCM control because of the Honda, so I'm charging like 14.5. But
Okay.
I don't really drop real low like that.
Yeah.
So,
What size battery alt?
250 brand X alternator's red. I got kilo 110. What you think, bro?
I like it, dude. Dude, for a single sub though, it's just really great.
For real?
Except I'm worried about this thing. Like, make sure you
I am too.
watch out because it can crack your windshield. So,
Oh, wow.
yeah, on a nice brand new vehicle, I would recommend taking this off sometimes for the demos because I've seen people crack a window just from the flex of from the glass part.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, I'm just looking out.
I've been wanting to get a demo with you. I said,
Yeah.
man, I gotta make sure I gotta find him, bro. JacobViral.
Appreciate it.
I need
Nice.
it, bro.
Your name again?
Thomas.
Thomas. All right,
Yes,
Thomas.
sir.
Thanks for the demo, dude. That was awesome. What vehicle is this?
2025 Honda CRV.
CRV. All right, dude. I like the Christian music.
Yes. I'm a deacon in the church. That was
Yes, sir. All right, man.
It's a new vehicle, man. It's 2025. Tearing this thing.
Brand new vehicle already with base.
Yeah,
And it's clean though.
yeah, Carrie Stalls built the box.
Okay.
That's a ZV718. I got a kilo 110 under here. I got a sky high wire running to the Salt 8 back there. I got a 250 alternator by Brand X. I got the wireless bass knob right there.
All right. Wow. This is an 8-inch airport. Nice. Is there a way I can see the amp too?
Yeah. Don't worry about it. It's not this stuff anymore.
There's all right.
There you go. You check it out.
Yes, sir.
It's not like the seat hit it.
Yeah.
That's what happened last time.
Wow. How big is your box?
36, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 36 hertz roughly?
No, the box is tuned to 30 something,
30 something. 35, okay. All right, I'll meet you out there.
I got you. I know, man. It's new vehicle, bro.
Okay.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.